Hi friends, once again welcome to my channel called Life. So guys, as you are aware, I launched this channel on January 1st, 2020 with a lot of hope, scope that 2020, it's as its name suggests, something unique, something funny, something live, something livelihood. I thought this year is going to be a drastic year for me, a wonderful year for me, and I wanted to change a lot of lives in this year 2020 with my so-called experience of last 45 years and primarily the last 3 years that I have explored the life in altogether different way. But we never knew that this corona will come. And this corona has finally taken away most of the dreams from us. The people who would have thought, who sure have made their goals for 2020 with respect to primarily the financial stuff would might be in a state where they would have finally given away their targets and finally have thought about it that they will not be able to achieve their goals for most of us. Similarly, for me also, I'll not say that I have given away my goals or given away my dreams or given away my targets as of now, but the way the last 3 months have gone, I really am not sure whether we will be able to achieve what we planned to achieve in the initial phases of the year. But as we say, one should never give away, one should always try till the last moment. So I'm still not giving away, and we'll see how I can, help you guys and help myself to achieve what I really wanted to achieve in this year. So, guys, most of you, in fact, all of you would have at least learned something new in this corona. कुछ ना कुछ नई बातें तो हमें पता चली ही है. हमारी लग्जरियस गाड़ियाँ फालतू बेकार खड़ी हुई. Whatever money we had, maximum money. So in case you would have seen about in last 3 months, the money that you spent is the real money that is required to live life. Whereas we have been spending at least 4 to 5 times of the existing this money, which is the basic necessity money. And जो भी हम चीज़ें जिन भी चीज़ों पर हम खर्च करते हैं, देखा जाए तो वह चीज़ें जस्ट materialistic things हैं. Yes, I am not doubting it that we don't need them. For sure we need them, but those are not the necessity things. एंड आप यही देखेंगे कि आपके पास कितना भी पैसा हो, फाइनली यू कैन नॉट बाय लाइफ. एंड सिमिलरली आप अपने उस पैसे को आपने अभी आप कुछ भी इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाए. आप ना तो कहीं बाहर जा पाए, ना आप अपनी गाड़ी में घूम पाए, और तो और आप अपने सिटी से बाहर तो दूर, अपने मोहल्ले से बाहर भी नहीं निकले. और मोहल्ले से बाहर भी दूर, in fact, the colony parks, even people, even children could not go to the beach. I could see even children were not moving out of the houses as well. So we were just, you know, imprisoned in our houses itself. So guys, Corona has taken away a lot of things, but it has again given us a lot of things also, where we have realized the real value of the life, the real value of the money, the real value of the things which are required to live a proper life. We got to know about the nature, right? So how we are, taking away the natural things, but when nature comes to show its powers, then we are useless. We cannot utilize all our technology, all our money, all our powers are useless in front of nature. So आप लोगों ने नेचर से बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा. अब this is the now time to finally realize how we want to live our life in the second half of the year, because today is 30th June and the year is half gone. So let us see. I will come again with the new videos, with the new ideas, but let us see how we can utilize the rest of the half year to live and achieve all our goals of 2020. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for giving all your love. If you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel so that I can keep on sharing the new ideas with you. Thank you.